Morning, Commandant sir. I am Rohan Ved Kurekar, cadet of Standard 11. Today, I would like to present a lecturate on the topic India's coastal security. Securing the borders of a country is very important. India's land and air borders are strictly sealed. Then the question arises, what about the waters of India? India has a coastline of 7,516 kilometers bordering 9 states and 4 union territories. 90% of country's trade is with the waters. Coastline houses 12 major and 200 minor ports along with landing centers and is continuously facing security challenges from non-state actors and adversarial neighbors. So there is requirement of coastal security for India's coast. Numerous cases of smuggling of gold, narcotics, arms and ammunition, explosives are reported through coast and there is infiltration of terrorists. Naval bases, the 26/11 terror attacks on ports handling volumes of oil and goods and of course ships are soft target of terrorists. Piracy, trafficking, migration and terrorism have granted for an updated maritime security. These all have necessitated for the adoption of more structured and holistic approach along with strategy to modernize, update and strengthen naval surveillance and improve coastal security architecture. National Committee for Strengthening Maritime and Coastal Security coordinates all the matters related to coastal security. It is headed by a cabinet secretary. The Indian Coast Guard is majorly responsible for coastal security. Many operations like Tasha and Swan were launched. Indian Coast Guard and the Marine Police closely work for coastal security. They work in a hub and spoke concept, the hub being the Indian Coast Guard station and spoke being the coastal stations. A three-tier grid, namely National Intelligence Agency, National Security Guards and Night Grid have been constituted for security purposes. There are many challenges before coastal security like lack of coordination, manpower, economic availability, poor training and other many factors. I think the Indian Coast Guard must play a leadership role. Authorities concerned should strengthen the marine police. Exercises like Sea Kavach should be conducted on a regular basis. The government must concentrate and understand the importance of coastal security. Automatic identification system, VTMS and other such systems must be made up to date. Awareness about the threats from the sea and coast must be made by the government. Jai Hind.